Who doesn't love a perennial? A plant that comes back year after year that's really tough, can take dry conditions and blooms all summer. Well, this is Russian sage, and I'm planting some of these bare root plants. And you can see what I've done is I've actually moistened the roots for about 5 hours, let them hydrate. These bare root plants can come in. You see they're just loaded with lots of buds ready to burst forth. This time of spring, it's a good time to plant them. All you do is just take a good garden soil like this. It's been loosely worked. It has to be well drained, and Russian sage loves full sun. Just spread out the roots and then pull the soil up around it and then water it in. You'll be amazed how quickly this will come out and bloom.